This tutorial will walk you through how to make a cute little guinea pig bed or other small animals. I am someone who has small animals and not cats or dogs, so I figured I may as well make a little bed for them. You can print out the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below. Start by sewing the side pillows to the wrong side of the bed. The right side of the pillows will be face down on the wrong side of the base, and sew around the outer edges. The inside seam will be unsewn. Next, you want to press the seam allowance back on both sides of the pillow along that inner side. Turn the pillows to the right side of the bed. Then you want to make a narrow hem on the middle between the two pillows. Edge stitch those side pillows, leaving gaps so that you can stuff them. You can stuff the pillows with whatever you want. I use leftover fabric scraps, but you can use whatever type of material you have on hand. And then you just want to sew up the gaps. And you're finished. See if your little guinea pig likes it.